Okay, so sometimes you need to test stuff and you need a like 24-volt power supply. So like when I'm in the shop, I've got this nice electronic adjustable power supply that I can change the voltage on. But when I'm in the field, I have to make do with like a DeWalt battery or a Milwaukee or whatever battery. So I go to the hardware store and I buy a set of leads, test leads like this, and I cut the ends off of them, or they go into the multimeter, and I put on a couple of spade connectors. And then if I look at this battery really closely, you'll see it has a B positive labeled here and it has a B negative labeled over here. So if I put the positive tab in there and I put the negative tab in there, now I've got a battery, 24-volt battery that I can test my stuff with. Now this is a break off of an Eclipse computerized mat cutter, and the way it works is inside this gold body there's a bunch of springs pressing this black plate up against the brake pad that's in the middle and against this fixed plate out here. Okay, so the springs are pressing it up. So to get the springs, to get this plate down here sucked down, and that's only like a paper's width of gap right there, to free that pad up, I need to apply voltage to these wires. They're both white. It doesn't matter which one I put positive on or negative on because they're both white. It'll work in either direction. So if I take them and orient them, and I take my test leads and I hold one of them down to the table, and I touch the other one, you'll hear a click. That is making the brake work. And if you watch, you'll see that plate right there move. It'll move that way up against there. So that's how you can tell if the brake is good, and that's how you can use a battery to test something that's 24 volts. Okay?